Right, so what do you notice about these lines? They're parallel lines. Okay, so what's going to happen is when you sketch these, or when you look at the graphs of these, it's going to look something like this, right? Okay, so you'll see right away what is the intersection of these. Again, the solution for a system is the intersection. And what do you know about parallel lines? They never intersect, so this is no solution. So it is possible to have an answer of no solution. And there's one more type of answer that you need to be aware of, and that is modeled by the following system. I want you to try solving this system, please. What do you notice on this one? They're what? Not just parallel, but they're exact same line, right? So when you work to solve this equation, I'll do it by hand just to model this. If you subtract a 4x from both sides and then divide every term by 2, you get y is equal to negative 2x minus 3. So not only do they now have the exact same slopes, which means they're parallel, but now they also have the same y-intercept. If you have two equations in a system that give you the exact same graph, your solution is all real numbers. In this section, they'll label it many solutions or an infinite solutions. Okay, now, does this mean that any number works? Does it mean that you can plug in any number for x and any number for y? No, all it means is that any number that you plug in for x here and find its corresponding y, that'll work for the other equation as well. So it doesn't, when you see many solutions or infinite solutions, it doesn't mean that you can put any numbers for x and any numbers for y. There's still a specific relationship. But whatever works, whatever y corresponds to x in one of the equations will automatically correspond in the other as well. So there's an infinite set of solutions, and that set falls along the graph of that line. All right, so in the homework for this section, what you're going to do is you're going to be asked to identify how many intersections or solutions there are. What are the possibilities? No solution if lines are parallel. Many solutions if they are the exact same line. One solution if there's an intersection. Is there any case where a straight line would bend back on itself and cross a second time? No. So two lines will either intersect at one spot, 0 spots, or the infinitely many spots if it's the same one.